You're packing for your dorm room, you're packing for your apartment, or maybe you're already in your dorm room or apartment. In this video today, I'm going to show you 10 things you didn't know you needed for your room. One of the first things you need to get, if you don't already, are these awesome LED lights. You've probably seen them all over TikTok, all over social media, but trust me, they are amazing. You can do all different colors, you can do different settings, you can make them flash, you can make them rotate through all the colors, and they have just been so amazing. I'll be linking all these things in the description below, so you can go click on them, buy them, and totally upgrade your room. The second thing I think you should get is this guy right here. Boom, you see that? This thing right here has been so fun to use and to play with. Whenever I'm bored or whenever I'm stressed out, I literally take this little basketball and, shoot some threes. I literally did that on the first take. Pretty proud of myself. A lot of us have TVs in our room. One thing that I came across that was super useful was having a bunch of these 6-foot long HDMI cords, because when I'm in school, I can plug my laptop into my TV or my monitor and connect and have dual screens so that I can throw or put pages onto the other screen so I can see multiple things at the same time. Also, if you have a PS4 or other gaming consoles, extra HDMI cords come in so clutch so that you can hook those up to the TV while having your laptop or whatever hooked up to it. When you go to school initially, you're exposed to a lot of new people, and especially right now when we're in the middle of a pandemic, having Emergency and Zicam have been so amazing. Zicam helps shorten colds, and Emergency is just extra vitamin C to keep you healthy. A lot of colleges, their beds have the ability to be lofted. You just push up and you can change the height. There's these little notches. But something I found really resourceful, besides my Peppa Pig nightlight, was this futon. Trust me, this futon has been great because once you loft your bed, you can literally put anything underneath it. But this futon has been so amazing. This one actually has multiple different functions. One side can go up, one side can go down. These actually, all these sides turn into little handles, so you can make that a little couch. This futon has definitely been so resourceful. I got this one at Walmart. So if you're like me and you like to come home after a long day of school and just sit on the couch, watch YouTube, play video games, anything else, definitely consider getting a futon. It's been such a lifesaver and you won't regret it. Having a clean room is a must, and if you want happy roommates, you gotta clean your room. In order to clean your room, you obviously gotta get a vacuum. This vacuum is a nice Bissell vacuum, not too expensive, and this actually comes off and can convert into one of those handheld ones. I just love this so much. It's so easy to empty, it's so easy to use, it's small, it's compact, and definitely get a vacuum for your room. I don't know about you, but I hate when my charger does not reach. It's the most annoying thing ever because you can't get comfy, you have to move somewhere else so that your charger can reach. I think getting a nice long charger is a must for your room. You want it to reach in bed, you want to be on your futon, or if you're just chilling and you want to be able to reach. So this is a nice 6-foot long charger. They make all different sizes, but definitely you should get a nice long charger for your phone. This bad boy right here is a hammock itself. The bag's a hammock. You open it up, take these fancy straps out, you wrap these around the trees, and it's a hammock built into this bag. It's so beautiful. It's portable, you can bring it wherever you want. So if you have some close trees, definitely get a hammock so you can swing out on the nice breezy spring days or summer days or winter days, whatever you like. When I brush my teeth, I literally get bored. I'm brushing, I'm bored, I'm thinking about nothing, but I'm telling you, this Philips Sonicare toothbrush has been a total lifesaver for brushing my teeth. It times you. It literally gives you time how long you should brush your teeth for. 30 seconds in each corner. It makes it fun, honestly. Maybe not as good as Tooth Tunes. And it's also pressure sensitive, so if you're brushing too hard, it tells you. And with mine, it gives you actual sensors when you need to charge it, when you need to change the head, and it comes with this nice little thing. I can just pop that on there, and it automatically charges. And then when I'm ready to brush my teeth, I take it off, take the cap off, and I go to town brushing my teeth. If you go to school, you will probably end up being a coffee drinker. This Keurig saved my life. Beautiful, brew a cup of coffee in the morning, you pop your K-cup in there, and you're good to go. When I make coffee, I use these French roast, dark roast K-cups. I bought a 100 count off of Amazon, and this should last me the whole semester. So there we go. Those are 10 things you didn't know you needed, but you definitely need for your room. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to click subscribe so you can do life with all of us here at this channel. And like we say at this channel, thanks for watching, thanks for joining, and thanks for doing life with all of us here at this channel. We'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned.